I'm meteorologist Margot Altschuler. We are tracking storms right now. While the majority of us are seeing nice dries and even sunnier conditions around 6:14 this afternoon, we are watching as storms do make their way from Kentucky. Taking kind of a zoomed in look, this line of storms has already caused thunderstorm wind damage in some of those counties up there, as well as showing some pea-sized hail being possibly produced by this system. So we're going to keep a very close eye, but just know the ingredients that needs to cause a severe storm have been happening here in East Tennessee. So we'll continue to watch everything and keep you updated. A look from our Crossville Sky 6 camera. It's a really nice afternoon. We're seeing a little bit of a breeze, and we should see those winds kind of kicking back up the later we head on into this afternoon. Temperature is currently sitting in the upper 80s, low 90s for some. We're sitting at 88 here in Dandridge, 89 in Knoxville, 88 in Kingston, and 86 in Crossville. Now, our severe threat level for today, we are under a 2 out of 5 now for the majority of our area. Now, what does this mean in terms of threats? Well, it doesn't really change much. We're expecting still to see damaging wind gusts up to 60 miles an hour or even more, as well as heavy rainfall that could lead to isolated flooding, small-sized hail, and frequent lightning. So it's a good idea now, because I know a lot of us maybe have some Saturday night plans, to go ahead and turn your weather notifications turned on. So this is a look at our 6 predictors. Starting now, we're going to watch as storms kind of make their way from Kentucky into our area and cause us to see some stronger storms. Even as we go towards later on tonight around 10 p.m., we're going to still see it drop on in and impact us later into the night, going into early Sunday morning. So again, good idea to have those notifications turned on. Our 6 predictor for Sunday actually looks a lot better. While we will be dealing with some early morning rain, the majority of our rain we're expecting for the day doesn't really arrive until the afternoon. It's more spotty in nature, and it's just rain. So we're not expecting to see anything strong to severe like what we're expecting going on into this evening and the overnight hours, but it is a good idea to still have your rain gear handy. As we go towards your Sunday around dinner time, we should see a lot of this begin to dissipate, and we should be left with nicer conditions heading on into Sunday night going into Monday. And our rain chances, look at this. For those who have already sick of the rain, well, we're expecting to see nice and dry conditions Monday on into Saturday. Monday we do have a 20% chance, and that is due to a mountain sprinkle being possible, but overall very nice, very dry, and actually something to look forward to. Overnight lows tonight are expected to be in the upper 60s, low 70s, once again close to average. We'll be seeing 68 here in Dandridge, 67 in Maynardville, 69 in Knoxville, and 65 in Gatlinburg. Highs tomorrow are close to average again. We will be in the mid to upper 80s, 85 here in Knoxville, 80 in Dandridge, 84 in Maryville, 87 in Tellico Plains, and 88 in Athens. But the one thing that this storm system moving on through is going to do, it's going to make our comfort cast lower. Now again, our comfort cast just showcases our humidity levels, and if you take a look, just after Sunday we dip down towards that dry and comfortable range and remain there for quite some time going into Tuesday and Wednesday, and that's really going to play a big impact on our feels like temperatures and also on our actual temperatures. A look at our 7-day forecast. We'll continue to monitor everything going on into the rest of this evening, and then we do expect to see spotty showers for the day on Sunday, going into Monday as well. And then look at that, on Wednesday we could possibly be breaking a low record. So we saw 57 back in the day. We might be waking up to 58, so getting near that record. Definitely things to look forward to, but again, have your weather notifications turned on.
Definitely, those fall time temperatures